I'm going to show you how to get a digital speedo. It will appear just here in this monitor on a Fiesta stline. This will probably work with all Fiestas, but I'm not too sure. So it's pretty straightforward. I'll just show you how now. So the first thing you want to do is press this black knob. So you want to hold this in, and while you're holding that in, you want to turn the ignition on, but not all the way. Wait for a few seconds and you will see test. When you see test, let go. So it'll start doing all this mad stuff. So all you need to do now is keep pressing the black knob. When I get to LED, it normally beeps a few times. That's nothing to worry about. Just give me a second. So obviously there's the beep. Just keep going through and you'll come to the speed, which is just there. You don't need to worry if you go past, because you know you can just always flip right back through, but it's a bit lengthy. Let's just get back to it. But yeah, this is something I've been looking for a while, and I didn't think it was possible, to be honest, but I finally found out how to do it. I just want to share it with everyone. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.